Well, hello. I bought the Atlas dual voltage 40 and 80 battery pack, and the Atlas 80 volt brushless string trimmer from Harbor Freights. It wasn't too bad. It was like $60 for this one. Now the battery though, this battery here, this is pretty much the pricey one. This was almost like $140 just for the battery itself, because it's that 80 volt, and the charger for it was like $60 for it also. So I got the regular one, the regular charger. I wasn't gonna get the fast dual one, but that one was almost the same price as this, almost another 140. So I was just gonna test it out, see how this one was going. This is the grass that I have right now. It's pretty tall. As you can see, I already cut that one over there. Battery wise, it's not too bad. Look at it took me like maybe, let's say 30 minutes per se, because it was long. It's tall. I don't know if you can tell from here, but it's really tall. It actually did its job, man. Let me see if I could show y'all just a little clip. This is my first video, so it's not too crazy. But let's see if I can have it a little stand. And let me know if y'all can see. Maybe I can see, maybe I can't. But this is a speed right there. Works really well. I don't know if you saw, it does a pretty remarkable job for what it's worth. Now, like I said, this is my first time trying it out. It's not, I haven't had no issues yet. Like I said, I started around maybe an hour ago. This is the battery as of now. So yeah, the Atlas, the 80 volt string brushless, it's not bad, man. I really like it. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. This is really good. It cuts really well. Like I said, look at the grass. I'm still gotta blow it every, of course, but I'm so impressed with this little device here, man. Like I said, Harbor Freight, 60 bucks just for the thing, but they don't sell, they sell the battery separate, and this is what costs the most. This is 140, not including tax. Like I said, this is 60 for the device here. Well, I got it for 69, 69 because there was a coupon. It was $79, but 69 for the device, 140 for this, plus the charger was another 60, and I got the base charger. I didn't get the fancy one. But overall, I'm very impressed with it. We'll go back to Harbor Freight soon, and I'm gonna buy me the blower that comes with it, because they all take the same battery, so it's not like it's something different. So I'm gonna buy me the blower for it, the blower that comes with it, and I'll end up buying me the little saw they have. This little saw. It's pretty cool. That one was $59, so I'll probably go back before it ends the special tomorrow. So I'm gonna buy those two tomorrow because there's a coupon special at Harbor Freights, $10 off of the devices. So yeah, if anybody's interested, man, I highly recommend this little thing. Better than gas, because I have the gas and it's cool and everything. It just gets heavy after a while, and I have a big lot in the backyard. This is just the front yard. The backyard's huge, and it's like 3 lots. And I did the driveway, and I did half of the lot with this, and I did a good job. The further back one, I'm just gonna use the gas just to test out the difference. But in my experience with the gas, And this one, they're pretty much the same. I'm not seeing no difference. They cut the same. The speed's real powerful. Like I mentioned, it's a very strong little. It's not as loud as the other one. You know, it does the job. So Albert's right, man. Came with a win with this one. I was gonna go with my regular gas powered. I was gonna go get me another steel one, but I was like, let me just try this one first. If I don't like it, then I'll just return it, or I'll just give it to my pops. Say, hey, Dad, here you go, keep it, and I'll just go buy me my gas powered ones like I always do. But as of now, I'm impressed with this piece. It hasn't given me no issues at all yet. I haven't changed all the strings, so I can't, give you a review on the string wise. But overall, it's just a little portion I cut here. It's wow, it's very impressive. And the bush is just tall too. I don't know if you can tell how tall the grass is. Think how tall the grass is. It's really tall. It's really tall. See, it's extremely tall. And then just the way this little machine, this string cut it, see, so it's not as bad as I was thinking. I was in Apple. Yeah, the Atlas dual voltage 4080. This is what's gonna get y'all. This is the battery itself is gonna get y'all. Like I said, this is not bad for $70. You can't beat that, dude. It's remarkable. But yeah, first review ever. I would just want to see. Nobody has to watch it. I guess you could call. I'm gonna do my YouTube as a diary thing. But yeah, the Atlas brushless string trimmer. Yeah, very impressive device, man. Very impressive. If it's powerful like this, then I could just imagine the push mower, and the push mower was like $2.99. So I'm most likely gonna end up buying it just to test it out too. I'm gonna let my grass get all huge like with this one, just the front yard. They get huge, and I'm gonna test it out, see how it works. If it does how this one performs, which I think it will, because that one takes dual battery, so it could be longer. But if the way it does it, I might be just switching over to electric and just call it quits on gas. But I'm just like I said, I haven't tried it out yet. So when I do, I'll do a little video again and put it on my page, and we'll see how what people think, But as of now, this one, I give it a thumbs up. Right now is a good solid 9 out of 10. I haven't messed with the string yet, so I haven't refilled the string. But when I do, I'll let y'all know, and then I'll adjust my grading. But as of now, it's a 9 out of 10. It did a fantastic job. Can't complain.